Today we are standing in front of the NALSA office, Jalsimar House, and the date today is 15th April, Tuesday. We just came out from the meeting with Mr. A.C. Mungate, the member secretary of the NALSA, and the Meitei IDPs, representing the Meitei IDPs with these submissions of the precisely the 21 points of concerns as an appeal and demand of the Meitei IDP to the Mr. A.C. Gumate. And Mr. Gumate have well acknowledged the points and discussed briefly for more than 45 minutes, points to points, and the incident to incidents of all the IDPs. On the left, Mr. RK is an IDP from Chuchampur. On my right, Rojita is a Chuchampur and IDP, and Sophia is also an IDP, and we represent the Meitei IDPs, and concern of this 20 point has been discussed point to point. With the outcome of this discussion, Mr. S.C. Mungate have given assurance and also been promised that today itself by 11 o'clock, he will be presenting this point with Mr. Gavai, the Supreme Court Justice, to apprise this point and to be implemented and have the most constructive directives. And these points, the first point of UID linked with the Aadhaar card is the primary, and also there are many promises that the NALSA will itself be rolling out the various benefits which has been entirely benefited to the entire country, especially to the Meitei's IDP. Especially today, the day, the 15th April, Tuesday, starting from the 10 o'clock till 10:45, we had this meeting at NALSA, Jalsimar, New Delhi, and this appointment was been initiated by the Personnel Secretary, Mr. Ajay, and Ajay have been helping us to make this organized. And the outcome today is a benefit for all the Meitei's IDP. I request all the Meitei IDPs should open up these eyes and also have an appreciation and gratitude expressed from each and every one of us to the NALSA. And the NALSA is been the persons forwarded by themselves to Mr. Gavai, the Supreme Court Justice, and he himself, Mr. Gavai, along with his member of the 5 members, the entire 6 judges have been to the Manipur at Moirang, and the same copy was been initiated. So they have already acknowledged, and the points by points of discussion is already been initiated by the time we talk. So we express the gratitude to NALSA, and the IDP of Meitei should also been acknowledged this initiative, especially by Rojita from Chuchampur. Her houses was been demolished by the dynamite in 3 seconds. The building was been demolished and make it into dust. And RK from Chuchampur is a victim who had been suffering. His mother has been suffering, and also the Sophia, her houses, property has been looted. So how many RKs of IDP Meiteis are there? How many Rojita IDP Meiteis are there? And Sophia and the children's? Everyone, each and every discussion has been well discussed. The document issues has been discussed. The necessity of UID linked with the Aadhaar card has been discussed. The educational's free policies, the educational's free allowance up to the certain amounts has been well discussed, and I'm sure NALSA will definitely take it up. So now the voice is to the President of India. We have submitted, IDP have submitted these memorandums on the dated 6th, and also to the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defense Minister, the Finance Minister, the Human Resource, the Lamba Commissions. They have not yet been even given any acknowledgement of these submission, and we have no stop of this approach, and IDP will be keep on approaching them for having the physical meeting with them. We will also share, will be sharing the updates. Thank you so much.